Hi, my name is Isari Paris.
And my name is Vanessa Mata, and today we will be presenting Program City.
Program C.I.T.Y, which stands for Creativity, Innovation, and Technology for Young Learners, provides a diverse and inclusive platform for Raisin City's young learners to explore today's digital technologies through Learn by Doing activities. Through this collaboration between Raisin City Elementary School District and Fresno State Hub of Digital Transformation and Innovation, students will be able to engage fully with the new technology program that values student creativity and skill development, while fostering experience and interest in new emerging technologies such as virtual reality. Program City works to bridge the gap between technology and the traditional classroom, creating an interactive and engaging learning experience that provides students with new skills and tools to further their creativity and interests. Students will be able to collaborate and interact with their peers through a digital platform, allowing them to not only develop social and communication skills, but also develop experience and familiarity with new technologies.
In Discovery Virtual Reality Lab, Program City will work with school site libraries to create virtual reality labs where students will be able to participate in a variety of VR experiences. With virtual reality, students are able to view a live Broadway performance of Aladdin in New York and experience the colorful costumes, lights, and sounds of the theater. Or imagine the smile on a child's face when they get to share their experience of visiting NASA and witnessing a rocket launch all during a regular classroom session. Not many children in the Central Valley are able to visit these places easily, but with Virtual Reality Lab, every child at Raisin City Elementary will be able to say they went to NASA. Making these technologies commonly available will allow students to explore their passions and interests, inspiring future Broadway stars, artists, and astronauts. Now for engagement, we will focus on virtual campuses, as parents will be able to get involved through the VR campus and classroom tours, seeing firsthand their children's work and communicating with their teachers. With Program City, the possibilities are endless, from school movie events to virtual back to school nights and parent teacher conferences. Parents will have the opportunity to utilize the same technology as their children and engage in virtual school activities. Next, we will play the Raisin City Hubs video.
You won't need these today. All you need is a computer.
Hello and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will show you how we can improve the engagement, teaching, and learning experience of your entire school body by taking advantage of new technologies such as virtual reality and mixed reality.
For this presentation, we will be inside the Hubs at Fresno State platform, just one of the various extended reality solutions we are currently working on that offers an enhanced experience in the areas of social interaction, engagement, teaching, and learning.
This is one of our example classrooms that students will be able to enter and attend class by clicking the door. Aside from attending class, this space could also be used for parent-teacher conferences and gives the opportunity for parents to see the environment their children are learning in.
The webcam feature can be used for face-to-face interaction between students and teachers. This is an example of how a teacher can conduct their classroom. For a presentation, teachers can upload files, screen share, and use a pen tool to write on the walls to carry out lesson plans. This creates the social interaction that students are lacking during these difficult times. We can recreate each classroom from Raisin City Elementary to give the students the comfortability of a familiar classroom setting.
Zoom only has limited features, while Hubs can provide more customization for students to socialize inside and outside the classroom, such as placing objects anywhere. Some examples of interacting outside the classroom is by drawing with the pen tool for games like tic-tac-toe, using emojis, and the audio channel.
When visiting the virtual library, Hubs gives us the features to add markers for specific areas of the room. That way, when students eventually return to campus, they are familiar with how the school is laid out.
With easy accessibility via web browser, students, faculty, and parents can all engage together in one place. We can use this admin office to give parents a space to access class schedules and other information about the school.
Thank you for the opportunity to showcase how a virtual environment of Raisin City Elementary could be beneficial to engagement between students, faculty, and parents.
Now, focusing on education through virtual interactive learning experiences. These self-guided virtual learn by doing interactive experiences are designed to empower our future Falcons. One of your students might have an interest in cars. With virtual learning, they will be able to learn about an engine and what it might entail, which will then lead them to taking an interest in mechanics or engineering. Teachers are also able to create their own rooms with the help of Fresno State DX and use the proper tools to engage their students' creative minds when collaborating with their peers on school projects. Students will also benefit from new academic sources and experiences. For example, a student doing a poster board report on the lions of the savannah can now take advantage of National Geographic's Lions 360 and see young male lion Gibson and his mother as they struggle with their pride's alpha male, a truly immersive learning experience.
In life experience and fun, students and families will be able to experience exciting live performances, engaging museum tours, and the wonders of space through virtual reality. Just imagine visiting the dinosaur exhibit at the Royal Tyrrell Museum in Alberta, Canada, where you're able to explore using a 360 view or getting a bird's eye view of Hawaii's marine habitat and Iceland's fauna. Students and their families are able to enjoy the experience of traveling across the world together and opening their eyes to new places and cultures. In conclusion, the VR labs and learning experiences will allow students to explore different passions and interests. Students will have easy access to virtual training lessons and engagement in the arts, science, engineering, and skilled trades and more, inspiring students to give them the tools and skills to give back to their community. Thank you.
Thank you.